Hey, these are my top 3 reasons why people like you do not start the business of their dreams. These are some of the excuses that I learned to overcome that took me from this to this. And if you find any value from this video at all, make sure you like and follow me for more. Number 1, you don't have the time. Many people think they don't have the time to start a business, usually because they already work 8 hours a day, Monday through Friday. But the fact is, running a business isn't a full-time job. It is much, much more than that. It is a total lifestyle change. If you can't get used to dedicating some more time before or after your 9 to 5, and even on your weekends to make up for all of that time lost, running a business might not actually be for you. Working long hours isn't meant to be enjoyable. But you know what is? Tomahawk steaks and jet skis. Midday on a Tuesday. See if your boss will allow that. Number 2 is the fear of failure. Let's be real here. You probably will fail. Failing is a normal part of life. I mean, do you think you're a genius? That you're just a hidden gem of a business person and you're just gonna become an entrepreneur and never make a mistake? Never pick the wrong direction, never zig when you should have zagged, never french fried when you should have pizzaed? You're going to. Everyone does. All entrepreneurs start somewhere, and I can guarantee you they made mistakes too, and they still do. Maybe a little less, but they still do. Remember, in exchange for embracing the probability of failure, you will be rewarded greatly. And number 3 is your friends and family don't think it's a very good idea. This is by far the most common reason why people don't start the business of their dreams. If your friends and family are discouraging you from starting your own business, most likely it's one of 2 reasons. A, they love you and they don't want you to go through the emotional pain of failing, and instead they'd rather you just keep doing what you're doing, keep clocking in and clocking out until your mediocre but relatively safe life comes to an end. Or B, convincing you not to chase after your dreams is the only way that they can make sense of why they haven't either. What if you were to succeed? How do you think they're gonna feel if in 5 years you grew up to be some billionaire tycoon and they just stayed right where they were, clocking in and clocking out, bitching about not getting enough overtime this week? Get those people out of your life. I'm Jeremy Renner, University, out.